Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix controller drift on your PS5 DualSense controller in a simple and effective way. First, understand that analog stick drift usually happens due to dust buildup, wear, or calibration issues, causing your character or camera to move on its own. Start with a quick cleaning method. Turn off your controller and use compressed air to blow around the base of the analog stick. Gently rotate the stick in all directions while cleaning to remove any dirt trapped inside. Next, try resetting the controller. Flip it over and find the small reset button near the back. Use a pin to press and hold it for about 5 seconds, then reconnect the controller to your console using a USB cable. After that, check for system updates on your PS5 and make sure your controller firmware is up to date, as updates can sometimes fix input issues. You can also try using a small amount of electronic contact cleaner. Spray lightly around the stick base, move it around, and let it dry completely before using again. If the drift still continues, it may be a hardware problem, and replacing the analog module or the controller might be the final solution. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.